Is sleepwalking a sign of trauma? If you or someone you know has been experiencing sleepwalking, you might be wondering if it could be a sign of something more serious, like trauma. Let's explore this question together. Sleepwalking, also known as somnambulism, is a condition where people perform complex behaviors while still asleep. It usually happens during the deep, non-REM sleep stage early in the night. While it's more common in children and young adults, it can also occur in older adults due to various reasons. Now let's talk about the connection between sleepwalking and trauma. Research suggests that trauma can indeed play a role in sleepwalking. Traumatic experiences, especially those from childhood, can disrupt normal sleep patterns. This disruption can lead to lighter stages of sleep where sleepwalking is more likely to occur. For example, people with post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, often have a heightened arousal state, which can contribute to parasomnias like sleepwalking. Additionally, studies have shown that individuals who experienced physical, emotional, or sexual abuse in childhood are more likely to sleepwalk and even engage in injurious behaviors during these episodes. However, it's important to note that sleepwalking is not exclusively a sign of trauma. There are many other factors that can contribute to sleepwalking, such as genetic predisposition, lack of sleep, certain medications, and other medical or psychiatric conditions. For instance, stress, anxiety, and depression are all linked to sleepwalking. People with depression are 3.5 times more likely to sleepwalk than those without it. In older adults, sleepwalking might be a symptom of an underlying medical problem, such as sleep apnea or Parkinson's disease. Family history also plays a significant role. If you have a family member who sleepwalks, you are 10 times more likely to sleepwalk as well. If you suspect that your sleepwalking is linked to past trauma, seeking professional help is a good idea. Mental health professionals can provide assessments and develop a treatment plan that might include therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, or eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, EMDR. In summary, while sleepwalking can be related to trauma, it is just one of many possible factors. Understanding the underlying causes and addressing both sleep disturbances and any underlying trauma is key to managing sleepwalking effectively. So if you're experiencing sleepwalking, it's a good idea to talk to a healthcare provider to determine the best course of action for your specific situation.